Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Copper Canyon mines in Fish It Game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To find or to unlock the Copper Canyon mines, you need to go to the Copper Canyon Island, which is the new island from this update. And then you're going to explore this area. Okay, and you're going to talk to this NPC. Oh, sorry. Okay, talk to this NPC and click on know anything about the mine like this, and you can use the portal to go to the mines entrance location. Okay, hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, now I'm at the Copper Canyon elevator. Okay, and you can fish here. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Copper Canyon mine in Fish It Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.